Mutton Rogan Josh, a fiery, flavorful signature Kashmiri dish that will truly awaken your taste buds. Welcome back to Burmawala Kitchen. If you enjoy our videos, please leave a comment and share any suggestions for improvement. Now let's get cooking. First, we'll marinate 1 kilogram of boned mutton. In a large bowl, add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon each of garlic and ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of dhania jeera, 1 teaspoon of red hot chili powder, and the pièce de résistance, 2 tablespoons of vibrant red Kashmiri chili powder. Finish it off with 6 tablespoons of rich full-fat yogurt. Mix it all together thoroughly. No need to marinate for long. Just look at that mesmerizing red hue. Next, heat a 1/4 cup of oil and 4 generous tablespoons of ghee in a medium heated pan. Allow the ghee to melt completely, filling your kitchen with its heavenly aroma. Add 500 grams of finely chopped onions and fry them until they turn a perfect golden brown and crispy, just like fried onions. This will take about 20 minutes. Keep the heat high and stir with vigor. If you'd like to spare your arm, ready fried onions will do the trick. When the onions are 70% there, it's time to add our symphony of dry aromatics. Toss in 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 4 majestic bay leaves, 4 black cardamom pods, 6 green cardamom pods, 2 small yet mighty cinnamon sticks, 1 tablespoon of whole cumin seeds, and 3 small pieces of mace. Fry these spices with the onions until the onions reach a deep crispy brown, about 5 more minutes. Be sure not to add the whole spices too early. We don't want them to burn and turn the curry bitter. Now for the star of our show, the marinated meat. Keep the heat medium-high and sear for 10 minutes, locking in all those exquisite spices and giving the meat a fantastic sear. Keep the meat moving to prevent any burning at the bottom. Once the meat has developed its glorious color, add 3 cups of water, or just enough to cover the meat. Bring it to a gentle boil, cover with a lid, and let it simmer on low heat for 90 minutes to 2 hours. Voila! Our Mutton Rogan Josh is ready. Behold the stunning red color, achieved without any artificial help. Just the magic of Kashmiri red chili. The meat is so tender, it's practically falling off the bone. Garnish with a generous handful of fresh coriander. It truly lifts the dish. Time to serve this masterpiece. This one-pot wonder is deceptively simple, yet bursting with authentic flavor. Serve with rice, naan, or both if you're feeling indulgent. Thank you for joining me again. Do let me know where you're watching from and what culinary adventure you'd like to embark on next. Happy cooking!